Congratulations on your new home. As you settle in, have you considered the long-term health of your plumbing system? One often overlooked yet critical investment is epoxy coating for your sewer and drain lines. Why is this important? First, epoxy coating strengthens the existing infrastructure, providing a robust barrier that can withstand the test of time. Traditional pipes are prone to corrosion and deterioration, which can lead to costly repairs and even extensive damage to your home. By applying an epoxy coating, you create a protective layer that seals any minor cracks and prevents future corrosion. Second, this innovative solution is a proactive measure against leaks and structural failures. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your plumbing system is fortified against the elements. Epoxy coating not only enhances durability, but also minimizes the risk of unexpected plumbing emergencies, saving you from costly repairs down the road. Lastly, it's an environmentally friendly option that avoids the need for invasive pipe replacements, reducing waste and disruption to your home. So, as you embark on this thrilling journey of homeownership, consider giving your sewer and drain lines the protection they deserve. Invest in epoxy coating today for a worry-free tomorrow. Thank you.